This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Doying-Main. Wonderful Maronda Wilmington model. Built in 2019 with 3 bedrooms, a flex room, 2 baths, 2-car garage with a 10x10 workshop in the garage, living room, dining room, wonderful kitchen, large screened-in patio, fenced-in yard, tile throughout, no carpet. Kitchen has granite counters and amp, stainless appliances. Master bath has double sinks with granite counters. Located in Vero Lakes Estates. No mandatory HOA. HOA is voluntary at $20 per year. Vero Lake Estates is on City Water and Septic. For more information, review the details below or contact Doying-Main at 954-693-0100.